Alright, I got it free. What I do is I locked it in here under that hinge and heated that bolt. You can see it smoking still. Heated that bolt with the heat gun. If you watch that other video, I propped it up on here. It worked nicely. Let it sit for, geez, I think 20 minutes or so. I can get the smoke going off of it. It's so hot. And as soon as I got it in there, I put my glove on, and I had a sponge handy. It worked great. So I hope that helped you in any way to get that bolt free. And also, before I started, I pulled loosened the cap on the brake fluid. So hope this helps.